Hi everyone, it's Jess calling in from San Francisco. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be at this week's meeting, which all of you probably know. But I found myself feeling pretty disappointed that I wasn't going to be able to join because I had a bunch of updates that I wanted to share with everyone. So I decided to record this video so that I could share my updates and y'all could watch it on your own time. So first of all, just wanted to let you all know that while you are at the Cold Case Committee meeting tonight, I will be at a pitch competition where I'm going to be talking about the work that you all do and sharing some of the stories of how you've changed people's lives and how this work has changed lives and brought people back together. So thank you all in advance for how well this is going to go because basically I'm talking about your accomplishments. I also wanted to just send a few shout outs regarding cases that are ongoing. I had the opportunity yesterday to kind of come bring the Reginald Walton case full circle. That's one of Mark's cases. And Reginald is a deaf man who we met at one of the shelters, said he wanted to reconnect with his son. And we made that call yesterday. I was with Cecilia, who is his case manager at the nursing facility where he currently is staying, and he had a great call with his son. They were on the phone for about 45 minutes. They I think had another one today, so I'm just waiting to hear how that one went. But it's been pretty exciting, and Cecilia said, "Wow, now I know why you call it miracle messages," which is I guess a good testament to the power of actually watching this happen because she knew how it worked, but she hadn't seen it happen until yesterday. So kudos to Mark for that great reunion. Also wanted to shout out to Liz who finally got Tommy Staples' case off the board or off the undelivered board. And I've been acting as the liaison for Tommy since we got in touch with his brother Wardell and sister Monique. And Monique sent a pair of shoes that she asked me to deliver to Tommy. So I actually went out there yesterday and brought Tommy these shoes. And by now, everyone behind the building knows me because I'm the Miracle Messages lady. And this is quite amazing. So I go out there and I ask everyone who's sitting behind the building about whether Tommy's around. And they said, "Oh yeah, he'll be back in a few minutes, but this guy's new, and we just told him about miracle messages." And I look at the new guy, and he's about 20-something years old, doesn't look like he belongs there, and he says, "I've been on the streets for 4 days, and I don't like it here, and I want to call my mom." And so he actually had the number. I have no idea why he didn't call himself, but I have a few thoughts on why he might not have been ready. But he asked me to call, didn't take any research. He had the phone number handy. And once I made the call, he said he was ready to go home. And his mom said, "I'm so glad because I'm ready to have you." And so I spent the morning with Trent today at the Greyhound station, or at the Homeward Bound station, getting him his free Greyhound ticket, and he got on the bus today. So Tommy Staples is the gift that keeps on giving, and for what it's worth, there are a whole slew of people who are on mission who really believe in what we do. Some of them might benefit from our work, but others just kind of think that it's not right for them, but that they think it's a great thing. And so the word is getting around. And when there's a new guy on the street that looks like he could use some help, the people who are out there tell him that they should talk to us. So yeah, another person off the street today. I'll send that video to you all if you're interested in seeing it. I'm also hoping to have video footage of Reggie talking to his son and his wife. And yeah, I can't wait to hear the updates from everyone else because if that was my week, I'm sure that you all have had equally interesting and productive things that I haven't learned about yet. So, and anyway, have a great meeting tonight, and I'll talk to you all next week.